Alright, so the second technique I'm going to show you is how to use the bench hook. So firstly, right hand side people, left hand side people. Into the vise is the option, clamp it up, place your wood so that the edge here, the edge here is between my lines, between my guidelines. Yep. Using the bench hook as the guide, I'm going to saw between my lines in the middle the best I can. I'm going to use my palm, I'm going to tuck my thumb under, place my weight against it, and sawing between the two. And there we have it. So now we have two of our pieces cut, one using the block, one using the bench hook. You choose whichever one you prefer to use, making sure you've got a little bit of waste to clean up on this sander, and I'll show you how to do that next. Till then guys, cheers.